Morning guys, this is beautiful Lake Gregory, ISIS balancing storage halfway between Bundaberg and Childers. I'm out chasing some bass today with my mate Nelson over there on the left. We've met up with this other fella here in a nice Hobie. Gonna give it a crack this morning for some bass on Topwater. Can't wait to fish it. Let's see how we go. Probably going to start off with a bit of Topwater this morning, nice and early. It's about 5 AM. And then we'll work some plastics, some vibes, some deeper stuff a little bit later as the fish move off the edge. Beautiful morning, fog on the water, so still. Hopefully smack a few bass on surface first up. Love chasing these things. Maybe even a toga. They've been stocked in here too. So peaceful out here. Just want to see the bass erupt on it. Bit of a twitch, pause. Bass day sugapen, 70mm. Working the weed edge here. Oh, that was a toga. I think so, yep. I think that was a toga. Big explosion. Oh, that got the heart racing. So much bait in here. Sorry, I'm really trying to be quiet. Yeah, just using the bass day sugapen, 70mm. Just meandering it side to side like this on top of the water. Looks like a little frog or a lizard. Some sort of bug maybe. It's been washed in with the recent rains. I've had a bunch of rain down here. Chase those topwater bass this morning. If we get a toga, I'd be over the moon too. Haven't caught a toga in here. I know there's plenty in here. Just had one smash me lure before and miss. Working the edges here on a 45-degree angle. Covering more of that weed edge. That's where the fish are going to come out of, most likely. The sun's just about to come over the pine trees over there. Beautiful colour, beautiful light on the dam. Best part of the day. Gorgeous place. There's a bass, guys. Ooh. First bass on Topwater. Pulling me in. Don't want to go in there too much. Spook everything. So I pull myself this way a bit. I'm always in the weed. Nice bass. Pretty good fish. Come here. Good fish on Topwater. Come here. He's long fish. Yeah, it's a nice bass. I'd even pause it then, I'd stop winding. And he ate it when it wasn't even moving. Chill. Come here. That's a great fish. do you reckon?
Yeah, 40 something, 44.
Yeah? Beautiful fish.
It's very big for Gregory.
Yeah, nice.
Average size has been around that 30, 35.
Okay. Bigger than average.
He's bigger than average.
Beautiful.
Chucked him on the measure.
Yeah. What's he go?
45.
44? It's a nice fish.
That's a very good fish for Gregory.
Awesome. Stoked with that. I'd twitched and I was on the pause then. He ate it when I wasn't even moving. What's up?
Do you want to hold him up
Yeah.
on the camera?
Yeah, yep.
Very good fish for Gregory. It's on a sugapen, eh?
Yeah, sugapen 70mm.
Good fish.
Beautiful. It's a beautiful point up here, in the shade still. Hopefully there's a couple of fish hanging off it. Still on the top water bite. When the sun gets up a bit, we'll move to sort of subsurface, go a bit deeper. One bass so far, 44 centimetres, and a miss from a toga. Wish that stuck. But it's so relaxing, so peaceful out here on the dam. This is a nice small dam that's quite navigable by kayak. I don't have no flash hobie. Just got a platform basically. You just paddle it around and yeah, you can get amongst the fish. You feel like you earn them when you catch them. Really earn them because you're paddling around, stealthy, nice and quiet. That's why I'm talking like this, because usually most people that know me know I'm pretty loud. I'm trying to be quiet. Good fish, guys. Onto a good fish here. I just changed over. That's the first cast in the atomic reel baits. It's either a herring or the bony brim. It's a bigger bait. Oh, nice fish. What have we got here? Bass, hopefully. Good bass. Oh, it's heavy. Really heavy. Oh no, it's a catfish. It's a big catty. Ah, kidding me. Oh, no wonder it gave me some poke. I think it's a catty, eh? Seen the big tail on it. Oh, it's a big fish. Alright. Get you in, try to get me lure back. That was not what I was hoping for. Got to be careful of the angle of these rods when you're fishing straight up and down out of a kayak. Don't be scared to put that rod tip in the water like that. Oh, look at it. Man, it's heavy. Far out. Come on. It's a big catfish, I think, eh? Come on, there's a leader again. Oh, it's a big catfish, eh? Oh, I don't know how I'm going to get this lure out. Whew. This is not going to be fun. Swallowed the lure. Size of him. Big catty. I really want that lure back, mate. The size of this beast. Swallowed that lure. I need it back, bro. I need it back. I wonder it gave me some bloody curry. It's a 10-pound fish. This dirty, slimy thing. Oh. Wow. I don't. Yeah, okay. Yep. Go back a bit further, you reckon, or?
Just come up and then just pick up this top one.
Yep.
Two, that's why I stopped.
Oh yeah.
And then I got that one, and then I missed another one.
Yeah, right.
Really soft.
Okay, that's good. Found a few active ones. Nice, mate.
Halfway up.
Yep. It's good work. These fish are up off the bottom. About mid-water. Nelson's on over there. He's got 3 bass. I think I've just got the one. Got the one and a big catfish. Come on, guys. Let's go bass here. Nelson. Yeah.
They keep short striking.
Yeah, righto. Here's a bass. Beautiful. Love catching these things. Miss not catching these in Mackay. Such an awesome fish. That's on the 100mm atomic real baits herring or bony bream, whichever one it is. There we go. It's a pretty long fish. He's nice. That's a nice fish. There we go. There we go. Beautiful bass. Such an awesome fish. Love catching these things. They go pretty hard too. See you, buddy. And that is what I caught him on. The new or recently released atomic reel baits herring or bony bream. I think that's the bony bream one. I think it's 100mm. Paddle tail, treble on the bottom, hook on the top. Let's see if I can get another one. Come on, guys. Very small fish by the looks. I don't even know if it's a bass, might be a perch, spangle perch or something. What we got? Barred grunner. Wow, didn't expect that. Barred grunner. Check him out. Such a pretty fish though. Alright. Chill. So Nelson's on over there. Getting a few numbers there. That'll be his 4th bass now, I think. I've caught 2. Not a bad fish. See it lunging there, running. It's a good fish. Guys, another bass here, hopefully. Oh, doesn't feel too bad. There's a nice bass. Beautiful. Love catching these fish. Geez, I miss these being in Mackay. It's a nice fish. Loving this reel bait's bony bream. That's good. Come here, mate. Beautiful. Gorgeous fish. Awesome. Love these guys. See you, mate. Yeah guys, just signing off from Lake Gregory. Had a great morning with me mate Nelson over there. He ended up with 4 bass and I ended up with 3. And I missed a nice big toga this morning as well. Love this dam, Lake Gregory, or ISIS balancing storage. Nice small dam, you can get out here in a kayak. It's not too big to navigate around in a kayak, it's quite doable, and you can have a great time of it. Plenty of bass in here that have been stocked, and saratoga in here that have been stocked as well. So really nice fishery. Fish it with my mate Nelson. Like I said, this guy fishes it 3 or 4 times a week, so he really knows what he's doing in this place. So I was sort of guided around by him today. So much love to you, Nelson. Thank you very much for showing me a few things out here, and I absorbed all your information, mate, like a sponge. You know, you know fishing, but I don't know fishing here. I know fishing in Mackay, but in this place here I'm a bit of a rookie. So this guy 3 or 4 days a week he fishes it. It pays to listen, and I learned a lot from listening to Nelson today. Got that 1 bass this morning, 44 on Topwater, and then we moved out into the middle of the dam, and it's probably something I probably wouldn't have done if I wasn't under his guidance. So I might not have got any more than 1 fish. I would have got that 1 fish this morning because that's how I fish, around the weed edges, but fishing out in the middle is a bit different. So big thanks to Nelson, and greatly appreciate all your support guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.